The J-20 Chengdu is a fifth-generation stealth fighter jet developed by China Air Force. J-20's power lies in its stealth range, advanced SAMURAS and missile technology. Its advanced avionics equipped with modern radar systems and electronic warfare capabilities. J-20 is super cruise capability, can sustain supersonic speed. Stealth design. The J-20 has a radar evading airframe with a blended fuselage and vertical stabilizers designed with low radar observability, making it difficult for enemy radars to detect. The J-20 is officially entered service in 2017 and is considered one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world.